am the mountains. You come to me for my fresh air, my forests, my lakes, my streams. You come to me for my beauty. You come to me to find peace, to find comfort, and to find quiet in loud times. I am here to listen and keep your secrets, to comfort you in hard times, and to help you find answers to your problems. I give you all I have for you to enjoy and make memories. I give you breathtaking views, incredible sunsets bursting with color for you to take in. I give you everything I have. But what have you done for me? You drive through me without even looking outside the window or stepping outside. You don't appreciate what I do for you, the fresh air I give you. You take without giving. My lakes are getting smaller, my forests not as vast, my beauty not as majestic as it once was. Take a look around. How is that fair?